Good morning, music kids. Are you ready to pull up some old plants from our garden to help our grown-ups make our gardens really clean and neat?
Let's go. This is the way you put on the gloves, put on the gloves, put on the gloves. This is the way you put on the gloves when we clean up our gardens. Did you find some gloves? Mine are my favorite color, blue. Maybe you can find some that you can wear too. This is the way we pull the old plants, pull the old plants, pull the old plants. This is the way we pull the old plants when we clean up our garden. Wow, some of these I have to pull really hard. But look, there's a little bit of green in there already. So I'll have to be careful on my next verse. This is the way we rake up the branches, rake up the branches, rake up the branches. This is the way we rake up the branches when we clean up our garden. Boy, I'm getting a lot of that old stuff out of there, but some of it won't come out. So now I'm going to grab my trowel. Maybe you have a trowel you can use. This is the way we dig up the branches, dig up the plants, dig up the plants. This is the way we dig up the plants when we clean up our garden. I don't want to dig too much because I've got such a beautiful green plant growing in there, and I think it's going to become a flower. So do you know what we have to do last? See if you can find a watering can at home. This is the way we water our garden. Water our garden, water our garden. This is the way we water our garden when we clean up our gardens. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.
Hello, friends. Miss Tweetie here, and I'm excited to tell you about some new things we are creating to go with our Music Kids at Home newsletters. First of all, we have instruments that you can order. We took all of our favorite classroom instruments that you can see behind me, and we found different combinations and different kits you can order for different prices. All you have to do is click on the link below or go to ChinookSchoolofMusic.com/musickids to find more information. We are also, in the next week or two, going to start live streaming our classes with memberships that you can purchase if you like. More information will be coming there on the link below as well, or at ChinookSchoolofMusic.com. Have a great day.